friends and fans, we're here back in Multiverse, making the Metaverse, and we're gonna go ahead and show you a little in-depth detail of Multiverse, the Planetarium. So as you can see there, the planets and the galaxy, and we're in our Multiverse home at this moment. Fire pit on that side, seating area with the couches, and doors to different portals. So we're going to go ahead and go into Grand Central Station. That one is Info Zone, and that one over there is pre-beta, so that's the Infiniverse Hub. These are different locations where you can kind of meet up with people from anywhere in the world, and these are some of the common spaces, common areas. So Multiverse University over there, definitely something we want to check out. That's Business Park. Then we have Info Zone and other things like that. Hold on. So here we are. We're gonna go into. Hold on, guys. Yes. Okay, let Daddy finish this. All right, guys. Just dealing with my beautiful daughter at the moment. So here we are in Multiverse Planetarium. So once you come into the planetarium, as everything else in the solar system, it's surrounded and revolving around the sun. And as we can look around, this is some information on what did you know? There are over 50 rooms in the planetarium alone. Every week, there are new events, rooms, and launches. There are more text in the VO buttons than in a novel. Practically everything you pick up can be thrown into orbit. Sorry, guys.
Each archway leads to a new room, and the Multiverse Planetarium currently has well over 50 spaces for you to explore. Big rooms, small rooms, playful rooms, and knowledgeable rooms. Some will make you go ooh, some will make you go ah, some will just make you go wibble.
That's cool. So yes, each one of these little green things has a few. You see the dots on top? So that would say how many recording each one has. This one only has 4 recordings. This one to the left of me has about 5 recordings. So that's another one. And these are like things, Neptune's great dark spot, the sun. So if we go through this arch, that would take us to a room that just deals with the sun. Here we are. Now I have 2 arms, 2 hands. So here we are. Yep. Looking around the spaceship, the United States US NASA spaceship. Space shuttle, I should say. Aurora seen from space. So everybody, well, not everybody, but a lot of people know what an aurora would look like. And that's the green lights. Northern lights, some people, I guess, would call it. And you can see it in Alaska and Norway and a few different places, I guess. But this is a picture showing you that you can actually see the aurora from out of space. So I'll get on close to this edge here. Very cool. So again, this is the sun. Those are the planets that are actually orbiting the sun. And we're here on this platform. You see the planets orbiting the sun. There's another one going to come around, which is very cool. So these are the ones that are orbiting the sun very closely. Then we have planets like that go a bit further off. And it's kind of showing you also the realistic speed of the planets rotating around the sun. And this is the platform, and as you can see, this platform is even out of space. So here we go. So this is below one of the planets that's actually orbiting the sun. This is the sun, the closest I guess you'll ever be able to get to it. Maybe even closer. You can see like a pot of lava right there. So we were just on top of that platform there, and here we go. This is Mercury.
Small, fast, very hot and very cold, Mercury is the innermost planet of our solar system.
Nice.
With long days, short years, a thin crust and no atmosphere,
That's
it is
Earth.
a curious planet that has yet to be explored in great depth.
So, I'm on the third one and it has 4 recordings. So each one of these, that's cool. So that's Earth, and that's Mercury, that's a lot closer to the sun. As you can see, it looks the same. So it's orbiting around it, and I think Venus is coming next. We'll wait and give it a bit of time. Well, we saw Venus before, just a while ago. Once we jumped down, that was Venus that we saw. As you can see right there, that's how it looks. And then Earth is also right there. So as we can see Earth floating above, that's Earth that's about to pass. Here we go. So we have Mercury again coming past. That moves a lot faster. That's why they said once we heard the recording, it moves fast. And this is Venus, which is bigger than that, but doesn't move as fast or as close. And that's it there. So you can see the similarities in it. And you can definitely see that that's the same planet. And we can work our way across here.
Venus and Earth may often be called twins, but they are far from identical, and one is most definitely evil, if not hellish in nature.
I guess that's Venus.
With a runaway greenhouse effect, crushing atmosphere, searing temperatures, and powerful winds, Venus rotates so slowly that the sun rises and sets just twice every year.
Oh wow, that is a cool fact.
Enter our Venus room to discover why beauty can in fact be only skin deep.
Beauty can only be skin deep. So we're definitely going to be doing more videos and more in-depth video of each room. So this one I'll just go around and give you a little bit of what you'll see once you come into the planetarium.
For a planet whose surface is more than 2/3 water, we've given it a pretty odd name. Because although Earth is abundant throughout the solar system, water is not.
Oh wow. So as that said just now, Earth is one of the planets that actually is blessed and privileged with water. Oh, we can also teleport to get places faster.
Mars, also known as the Red Planet, is dusty, cold, has no breathable atmosphere, no liquid water, nor does it host life.
No liquid water, so it says that it has water, which is most definitely frozen, and it's the Red Planet.
And yet, even with all of these things held against it, Mars is currently humanity's best hope for the first planet to colonize, and thanks to nearly 50 missions and counting, we know quite a lot about it.
Okay, awesome.
Different cultures have named it Jove, Marduk, Zeus, the Wood Star, Guru, Thor, or just plain old Jupiter.
Okay, so yes, this is a quick look into what the planetarium into Multiverse looks like, and we're still around the sun. If you find value in this video, like and subscribe. Try and bring you more quiet videos where I'm in a room more secluded and not having morning time with my daughter. But please like and subscribe. We're going to bring you more of these amazing videos in VR.